Hey coffee lovers! Are you tired of mediocre coffee and dreaming of barista quality espresso right in your own kitchen or even on the go? Well, you're in the right place. Manual espresso machines are a game changer, offering unparalleled control over your brew, leading to a truly personalized and delicious cup every single time. Forget complicated electronics, these machines put the art of espresso back into your hands. Today, we're diving into 5 fantastic manual espresso machines that will elevate your coffee experience from everyday to extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned coffee enthusiast or just starting your manual brewing journey, we've got something amazing. First up, we have the Adedix removable stainless steel frother coffee maker. This sleek machine isn't just about good looks, it's about delivering a fantastic espresso experience with incredible durability. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last and looks great on any countertop. The standout feature here is its integrated frother, allowing you to craft creamy lattes and cappuccinos without needing a separate device. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to pull rich, flavorful shots, giving you that authentic cafe taste right at home. Plus, the removable parts make cleaning a breeze, which is a huge bonus for daily use. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and versatile manual espresso machine, the Adedix is definitely one to consider. You'll find a link to it in the description. Next on our list is the compact professional stainless steel frother with removable parts. This machine is a true workhorse, designed for those who appreciate robust construction and professional-grade performance in a more compact footprint. Crafted entirely from stainless steel, it promises exceptional longevity and a premium feel. What truly sets this model apart is its focus on delivering a professional espresso shot while still maintaining a user-friendly experience. The removable frother is incredibly efficient, producing dense, velvety microfoam perfect for all your milk-based drinks. Its compact size means it won't take over your kitchen counter, making it ideal for smaller spaces without compromising on power or quality. Get ready to impress yourself and your guests with consistently excellent espresso. Check out the link in the description for more. Moving on, we're featuring the Zixub's professional temperature frother for cappuccino. If precision and control are at the top of your list, then this machine is engineered for you. The Zixub stands out with its emphasis on temperature regulation, which is absolutely crucial for extracting the perfect espresso shot and frothing milk to perfection. This means you get a consistently delicious and perfectly textured coffee every single time. It's designed with the professional barista in mind, but simplified enough for home use, allowing you to master the art of cappuccino making. The frother itself is exceptionally powerful, creating luxurious foam that elevates your drinks to café-quality standards. This isn't just a coffee maker, it's a tool for crafting masterpieces. Find the link to this incredible. For those of you who are always on the move but refuse to compromise on your coffee, the Hobcycle portable capsule coffee maker is your ultimate travel companion. This innovative device redefines portability, allowing you to enjoy a freshly brewed espresso wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just at the office, this compact machine easily fits into your bag. It's incredibly simple to use with pre-measured capsules, making preparation quick and mess-free. No need for grinders or complicated setups, just add water, a capsule, and press. It's perfect for getting that much-needed caffeine boost with minimal effort and maximum flavor, ensuring you never have to settle for instant coffee again. Grab yours today using the link. Last but certainly not least, we present the Flair updated espresso coffee maker with portafilter. Flair has long been a favorite among manual espresso enthusiasts, and this updated model only solidifies its reputation. This machine is all about control, quality, and the pure joy of making espresso by hand. It features an enhanced portafilter design for even better extraction and consistency, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your shot. The build quality is exceptional, featuring durable materials that are meant to last. It's perfect for the connoisseur who loves to experiment and truly understand the espresso making process. If you're serious about achieving cafe-level espresso and enjoy the hands-on approach, the Flair updated model is an absolute must-have. Check the description for the. And there you have it, 5 incredible manual espresso machines that promise to transform your daily coffee ritual. Each one offers unique features, but they all share the common goal of delivering exceptional espresso into your hands. From robust stainless steel designs to portable powerhouses and precision-focused frothers, there's a perfect manual machine out there for everyone. Don't settle for less than the best. Remember, all the product links are conveniently placed in the description below, so you can easily find your next favorite coffee companion. Thanks for watching,